Welcome, King Goy back again. And it's been a while since the last update video, but as you can see, I've had my hands full with trimming and drying, This is probably the fourth batch now that I have drying, as I usually have a room where I dry in, but it's been occupied at the moment, so unfortunately we have to dry in this area. So basically it's been done in batches. And also because if you've seen the last videos, majority of the plants started flowering from the bottom up. So we harvested those first and then left the tops to kind of finish flowering. But most of them are started to complete their flowering stage. This patch is basically dried. I'm going to still harvest. I just don't have space at the moment, so I'm letting this dry for a bit more. And as you can see, because I've got no temperature control, I'm drying with all the leaves on. This way we kind of slow the process down, you know. You don't want to dry too fast because otherwise all your hard work goes down the drain. But we got some good nuggets on these ones. Super frosty, big chunky arms. Let me show you dried so far. As always, your trusty old terp bags. Grove bags. These are my favorite. They do the job. I mean, this one's already full. This one is about a quarter. Still have a whole box full to dry today that I'm trimming. These are all just nice nuggies. And then I'll show you what the rest of the tree looks like. So as you can see, most of them were done. Like these all come off. All of these are done. These little tiny buds over here. And some over there. Some of them are actually going a bit too long. So I'm chopping that off today. You can see at the bottom, some of them are well past flower. It's overflowering. But yeah, that's just the downside. But I'm not at all disappointed with the yield. Yeah, most of these, see, the tops aren't really even ready, but a lot of them are. The lower branches are definitely done, but I'm not too phased because there's little popcorn buds, you know. I'll use that for trim, hash and stuff like that. Just a few more of those tops can come off probably in the next week or so. Otherwise, it was a good harvest. Still one top over there and a few of these branches at the bottom. The weather wasn't too kind to me this time. I had to kind of stake these up. But as you can see, the bottom flowered a lot quicker, sorry, than the top. Again, not a bad thing. Actually ended up helping me. Ooh, we got some botrytis over there. Yeah, that's definitely bud rot. That's super wet weather. Gotta cut that out before it gets worse. And also I haven't really been taking care of it by taking the leaves off. That kind of all factors in. But I'll just cut that little nugget away. Or I'll just give it a quick 1, 2 and a pull. It's a good example of the botrytis. But this only happened now because we had like 4 days of solid rain. Not much time for these plants to dry. So, but yeah, you can see I've been harvesting. And then probably in the next few months, I'll get ready for the next section. But I'm going to do things a bit differently with how I prepare this ground because I could tell there was a big, quite a deviation in the nutrients in the soil. But we will sort that out for the next grow. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.